But I'm really excited to talk about knowledge distillation. Just for a tiny bit of background, as was mentioned, I'm the CEO of a company called Deep Sentinel. I gave a prior talk about this, which is my $5 million camera. Took forever and a lot of money to produce it. And the business of Deep Sentinel is in the physical security space, which is one of the best applications of machine learning and edge machine learning. And what Deep Sentinel does is we use that in a workflow to stop crimes. Our big call to differentiation is that we're really the only security company that stops crimes. But I will leave that shtick for another time and move on to the subject at hand. And the idea here is, how do we make models that are better optimized for the edge? The prior speaker talked about quantization, which I think is the other critically important technology. These two technologies coexist actually incredibly well. And so I want to talk a little bit about the background though, and an insight in deep neural networks. And this started a long time ago. As soon as neural networks, even in the 90s, were around, we started observing that in feed-forward neural networks, that a lot of the neurons aren't actually needed. Some of them are needed not at all. Some of them are needed a little bit or only in corner cases, or they only contribute a tiny amount of information to the ultimate prediction of the model. And so the original idea was, let's get rid of some of those nodes, let's get rid of some of those edges, and thereby reduce the amount of computation or memory that is required to execute a particular model and minimize the amount of impact to the overall effectiveness of the model. And so this is just an example of showing pruning both the neurons and the synapses in a network.